Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of electric charge and field. The question is a free pith ball A of 8 gram carries a positive charge of 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. What must be the nature and magnitude of charge that should be given to a second pith ball B fixed 5 centimeter below the former ball so that the upper ball is stationary. So in this question we have to see the charge, nature and magnitude of charge on ball B so that the ball A remains fixed at its position. So here I am drawing the diagram. First of all we write the given mass of ball A M1 is 8 gram and charge on ball 1 is positive charge plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. To find, we have to find out, and also we are given the distance between the two balls is 5 centimeter, which is equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. We have to find Q2. So now here we are considering that this is a ball, pith ball A, whose mass is m1 and carrying a charge q1, and now this ball will fall freely under gravity. So the force which is acting on this is m1g. Now this ball should not fall down. Now here is having another ball. This is ball B that is having charge q2. So to counter this force, this should produce opposite electrostatic force. So this should repel, means ball B should repel ball A. Therefore, nature of charge on ball B should be positive. Now the formula to be used to find out this force, the gravitational force will be equals to electrostatic force, that is m1g will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square. Now we see the solution for this question. Solution. M1 given to us is equals to 8 gram. So 8 into 10 the power minus 3 kilogram. G, value of G is equals to, we consider the value of G is 9.8. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 the power 9. The charge on pith ball 1, that is Q1, is 5 into 10 the power minus 8. Q2 we have to calculate, and the distance between them is 5 centimeter. That can be written as 5 into 10 the power minus 2 square. Therefore, Q2 is equals to 8 into 10 the power minus 3 into 9.8 into 25 into 10 the power minus 4 divide by 9 into 10 the power 9 into 5 into 10 the power minus 8 coulomb. On solving this, we get Q2 is equals to 4.36 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb. So now we write our answer. The charge on pith ball B, the charge on pith ball B should be 4.36 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb, and it should be positive in nature. Positive in nature. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.